Welcome again to Tiger Carpenter. Today I'm going to install the caster wheels for the metal base workbench table. So let me explain what is my idea. I'm going to use these aluminum profiles. I will cut them into 4 pieces for each leg, and then the caster will be attached to the aluminum angle, and the aluminum angle will be screwed to the leg. So let's go. I set up the table saw. The height is above the angle height. I fixed the aluminum angle to the sled with 2 C-clamps, safety glasses, and we are ready to cut. Okay, it's a piece of cake for the table saw. The cut is nice and beautiful. So now we are going to cut this and this angle into half so that we have 4 identical pieces. Okay, we are ready. Okay, the cut is done. It's not even hot. Perfect. Okay, and the remaining piece. Okay, done. Very nice cut. So there we go. 4 pieces for 4 corners of the legs. Now we can attach them to the legs. I'm going to clean up the edges. Okay, now this is the caster. It's a stem caster, so it has a threaded bolt. Let's measure it. 7.7 millimeters. So it's M8. So I'm going to drill the M8, attach the caster to the aluminum, then we will drill the bigger hole for the nut to go inside. And then the sides of the aluminum angle I will attach to the leg. Okay, so let's measure the leg. The leg is 40 mm. So we want to drill the hole 20 mm from the inner edge. So 20. Okay, so let's mark 20 mm. So the hole will be in the middle of the leg. Now let's punch it. Okay, so we punched the starting point for the drill. Okay, now I'm going to clamp it to the leg and drill the hole through the leg. Okay, let's put some lubricant. And also on the drill bit, I'm using a good quality drill bit from Bosch. Okay, that was easy. So now I can try this one. Okay, now I'm going to drill the side holes. I'm just going to repeat the same steps on every leg, so I don't have to change the drill bit. Cooling the drill bit with the water so that it will last longer. It will remain sharp longer. And here I'm putting engine oil as a lubricant, just normal car engine oil. Okay, and again I'm cooling it immediately. I'm touching the drill bit, it's still very sharp. So keeping the drill bit cool is the key to make it last longer. I'm going to lock this in place. Put some lubricant on the drill bit and on the place where I'm going to drill. Cooling the drill bit. Yes! And believe it or not, the drill is still very sharp. That's why cooling it down frequently is very important if you want to save money and make your drilling easier. Now let me explain how I'm going to attach the casters to these legs, because this aluminum profile will be held by 2 bolts, so this will be firm. However, if we just put the caster in the hole, it will be wobbly and you can easily remove it. So the idea is that this bolt will go inside the aluminum. It will be tightly attached with the nut to the aluminum profile, and this nut has to go through this hole. That's why I'm going to make this hole bigger. The biggest drill bit I have is 12 millimeters and this nut is 13.5, so I'm going to drill it to 12 and then I will file it until this nut can go through. So the nut is holding the aluminum to the caster and the bolts will be holding the aluminum to the leg. So that's how the whole system will be secured. Again, I'm using high quality drill bit which is from Bosch. I tried working with metal before using low quality import drill bits and I had very funny experience, so you really don't want to spend a little bit less money and drill for 2 days. I'm going to cool it down frequently because it's an expensive drill bit. I want to preserve it. Okay, done. Wow, that's a lot of noise. Let's see. Very far? No, we are very near. Okay, that gives us some hope. Yes! So three more holes to go. Let me assemble this one as an example. Okay, so this is the caster, and we are going to tighten it to the aluminum piece. See, now this nut goes inside this hole. I'm going to use 2 on this side. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's tighten it up. This is very solid. The caster is working. As we turn this red knob, it raises the foot, and then it will disable the wheels. As we lower the foot, the foot will be lower than the wheel, and the caster will be riding on the wheel. So that's exactly what we want. Okay, great. Let's move to the other 3, and then we can flip the table. Okay. Yes! What a beautiful moment whenever you finish the project and it works as you intended. Wow! What a beauty! Of course, I'm going to take the ride on it. Okay, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you again on Tiger Carpenter. Bye bye.